Hi, Vince Oldre, Certified Financial Planner, here to talk to you about the differences between if you're working with an investment advisor, an insurance agent, or a financial advisor. Now, the hard part with our industry is that most of us call ourselves financial advisors. So how can you determine which one is better for you? How do you know when you're looking online, are you working with a financial advisor, or if you're working with an investment advisor or an insurance agent? So some of the key differences here that you might find when you're speaking with someone as a financial advisor is that they might only sell certain products, or they sell only certain investments. Now, if you're meeting with an insurance agent, what you'll find is that the only product that they'll be offering you to help with your retirement is either life insurance, long-term care, or annuities. Now, that doesn't mean those are bad products, but in my opinion, usually they're kind of forced down into your retirement plan instead of looking at how those things might be better for you. So they're not really looking at should you have these things versus other investments like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or exchange traded funds. They're saying the life insurance, annuities, and long-term care are the only thing that's best for you, and you should stay away from the rest of them. Now, if you're meeting with an investment advisor, typically what we find is that you're only going to get the investment options available to you, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange traded funds, and sometimes variable annuities. Now, what we know with that side is that those assets could be rather more, or those investments could be more risky. And that's where you want to be a little bit more careful when you're picking your financial advisor. Are they just going to offer you investment vehicles to keep you in the market? Are they really going to protect you when it comes to your retirement planning? Or are they going to put something together for you? Now, in my opinion, what a financial advisor does is they put all those products out there for you, and based on your plan, they will determine which ones to use for your own retirement plan. That's why I think it's important to find a financial advisor that will work with all products that are out there and not have a bias towards one or another, because when it comes to your retirement plan, it's going to be different than any person that comes in that door that you might visit with. So when it comes to trying to find a financial advisor, in my opinion, anyone that's going to look at your goals, your needs, and desires first is the right first step, because your needs, your goals, and desires will help dictate what things to use within your plan. So once we have that plan available, a written down retirement plan and a written down income plan and estate plan, then we can start putting the right tools into it, whether it be life insurance, annuities, or long-term care, or other types of investments like stocks or bonds, mutual funds, exchange traded funds, or maybe real estate investment trust. All those things need to be put into the plan after you figure out what your needs, your goals, and desires are. So determine for yourself, are you working with an insurance agent, an investment advisor, or actually working with a financial advisor that can do all those things? Last but not least, as a certified financial planner, we can actually design retirement plans without having to get paid by the investments. And so if you want to make sure you're working with someone that has a fiduciary duty that's going to look out for your interest before their own, sometimes working with someone that's just going to be working on a basis where they're going to put a plan together for you instead of being incentivized by other products that are out there provided by the mutual fund company or provided by the insurance carrier, it might make more sense for you. So one of the things you can do is you can go to cfp.net, which stands for Certified Financial Planner, and you can search all the different certified financial planners that are in your area, and it will tell you how they're going to get paid if you decide to work with them. The other thing you can do is do a FINRA check. It's called FINRA, F-I-N-R-A, broker check. You can just type in broker check in Google and it'll pop up, and you can put that person's name in there, and it'll give you all the background information on them if they've had any disciplinary action. Hopefully, with all this information I just gave you, you'll feel more confident about who you might be working with. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call, or again, email me or message me. I'm more than happy to try to help you and help educate you. If you want to come to one of our educational workshops, please visit our website and go to our events page, and we always have a couple events going on each month. Until then, I look forward to speaking to you next time. And please, again, let me know if there's anything I can do to help.